And go. Now try to stay a little bit lower and really burn it out. Repeat after me. I can. I am. I literally am right now. That's not wishful thinking. It's working. Squeeze. Oh, core tight. Tone your toughest trouble zones right here. Fierce mind? Check. Strong booty? Check. Indomitable will? Check. The last one, put it down. All right, now, this is a challenging burpee. I'm going to show you. Burpee down, all the way down to the ground. Pop it up. I want to see some sweat on the mat. If that's too much for you, do a regular burpee. But challenge yourself. I want a burpee stop. So you have to push yourself up. On your marks, get set. Deep stop on belly. Up. Power it up. Come on, yes you can. Arms are gonna fly out like you're Superwoman. You have an invisible cape on you. Come on, yes you can. Push the earth down underneath you. I love these burpees. All the way down. Give me one more for good luck to lock it in. Shake it out. Circuit number 1 is done. Grab your bench. Let's go. Now, I had a really good talk with Carrie Culp, and we talked about some good moves for her to help her with